In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ads through GoHighLevel. If you're looking to broaden your reach on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, you're in the right place. GoHighLevel simplifies the process and integrates smoothly, allowing you to manage your marketing efforts efficiently. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once there, direct your attention to the left sidebar. From here, click on Marketing and then select Ads Manager. This is the main hub where you'll begin crafting your ad. Once you're in, click on Create Ad and then choose between Facebook or Instagram based on where you want your ad to appear. Next, it's time to select your ad account. If you manage multiple ad accounts, make sure to choose the correct Facebook ad account from the drop-down list. This ensures that your ad is connected to the appropriate billing and performance reports. Now, on to defining your campaign objective. Think about what you want to achieve with this ad. You have several options here. Leads can help you collect form submissions, sales focuses on purchases or conversions, awareness is perfect for boosting brand visibility, and messages can generate interactions through Messenger or Instagram direct messages. If you're in the service industry, leads or messages might be your best bets. Once your objective is set, it's time to define your audience. Your ad's effectiveness largely depends on reaching the right people. Specify the location, whether that's by city, state, or country, and consider who your ideal customers are in terms of age, gender, and interests. If you've previously created specific audiences, you can opt to use a saved audience to streamline this process. With your audience chosen, let's move on to placements. You can select automatic placements, which is often recommended by Facebook, as it allows the algorithm to optimize where your ads are shown. However, if you have a preference, you can manually choose placements, such as Facebook feed, Instagram feed, or stories. Now plan your budget and schedule. Decide whether you want a daily budget or lifetime budget, and then set the start and end dates for your campaign. This will help you manage expenses and timing effectively. The next step is to create the ad itself. First, give it a memorable name, perhaps tied to a promotion such as Black Friday funnel offer. Ensure the correct Facebook page and Instagram account are connected. Add your ad creative elements, including an image or video, a compelling primary text, a catchy headline, and a detailed description. Don't forget to add a call to action button like sign up or learn more, along with your destination URL, which could be a GoHighLevel funnel page or your website. Finally, review all the details to ensure accuracy and consistency. Check everything: the audience targeting, ad copy, budget, and schedule. When you're satisfied, click Publish Ad. GoHighLevel will automatically push your ad to your Facebook Ads Manager, where you can track performance and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. Your ad is now live and ready to start working for you. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your advertising campaigns.